Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the class. Let's start the class, children, as we were doing our third chapter, organ systems, right? So we will continue with it today, and we'll just give a quick recap of what we have studied till now, and we will study. The objective of the class will be, children, to understand the place location of the internal organs. Although we have already done this, but we'll give again a quick recap of it. So let's start the class, children. Let's give a quick recap, children. So you can see these are the internal organs, right? So blue color tube, can you see? What is this? This is trachea, also called windpipe. Now trachea is connected with the lungs. Can you see these two blue color lungs? The pipe near to trachea is your foot pipe. Now foot pipe is connected with what, children? Stomach. Now the food from stomach goes to small intestine. Can you see this? From small intestine to it goes to large intestine, and it comes out from rectum. Okay. Then children, what it is? Can you see the heart? Red color, where it is placed between the lungs and in the chest, little to the left. Okay. So this sac-like organ is your stomach. Then can you see the kidneys? Bean shaped organ is your kidneys. The yellow color organs is your are your this kidneys. Okay. Let's move to next, children. Is your organ systems we study, right? So organ system is what? Group of organs inside the body that do specific task. So you know that which the name of the internal organs, right? So for digestive system, which organs are needed, children? We need mouth, foot pipe, stomach and intestine. Okay. For respiratory system, which organs we need, children? Nose, windpipe and lungs. For circulatory system, which organs we need? Heart. Isn't it most important organ is heart, because it pumps the blood and it flows through our blood vessels. The next is your nervous system. Last one. So nervous system, the brain is a part of the nervous system, children. Why? Because it controls all the activities of our body and it helps to think and learn. Okay, children. So next comes is the objective of the class is, children, today we will study the positions of the different organs inside the body, as we have already studied, isn't it? And the effect of daily activities on organ systems. So let's start, children. Take out page 13 of your book. As we have finished till nervous system, children, so there are few questions, two questions. Train my brain. What is the shape of the kidneys? It is of what shape, children? Bean shaped, isn't it? Next, number 2 question. Where does the food go after you put it in your mouth? Where does it go, children? From mouth, it goes to food pipe, stomach and intestine. Clear? What it is written here? Let's start. I apply. Here it is written, now you know about the different organ systems and how they work. Isn't it, children? You know about the different organ system and how they work. So you know that how digestive system work, you know how nervous system work, you know how circulatory system work, you know how respiratory system works. Isn't it? So can we control all these systems, organs, children? We cannot directly control the organs inside our body. Clear? The brain works even when we are sleeping. When you sleep, the brains work. The second important work, children, is your breathe. We breathe continuously. when we are eating, we are running, we are sleeping, we keeps on breathing. So children, it is asked that does the heart rate remains the same or does it change? Does your heartbeat remains always the same? It becomes faster sometimes and slower sometimes, right? So when we do fast work, when we run or when we jump, so our heartbeat fast. And when we are on the normal, when we do normal work or when we are in the relaxed mode, then our heart rate is normal. Okay children, the next come is your I explore. It's very interesting children. So what you have to do here, can you see this image? You have to draw the outline in your copy. You draw the outline in your copy, and then what you will do children, this is an activity which you can do it in your copy. You draw the outline of the human body on a cardboard, or you can do it on a copy also. You do this in your EVS classwork copy. So you draw the outline of the human body, then what you will do children, you draw the pieces of the organs this way and cut that pieces and fix it here, fix it in the body. As you already know where your heart is located, where your lungs is located, isn't it children? So you can place it in the body. This will be very interesting for this children. You need a copy where you will do it, a piece of paper, or you can say a piece of paper for cutting the shapes and fixing there. The organs should be of different colors. As you have seen here, these organs are of different colors, isn't it? This is how you will cut out the piece and you will put it in the this outline of the human body. This activity will be very interesting. You can do it in your copy. So next children, your chapter is finished. So at the end I would like to say you children that go for healthy food like walnut, egg yolks, and your this healthy food, so that you can make our brain healthy. Okay children, so eat healthy food and stay healthy. And what we have studied today children is your organ system. We have revised the organ system, and what we have done children, we have revised the we have done your activity, isn't it? So this activity you can do it in your copy. So your chapter is finished children. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.